what's up, welcome back to Afrodite by Olympia. And if you're new here, my name's Olympia and I do videos on beauty, on makeup for darker skin tones available in Australia. Now this is video number 3 of 6 for my designer brands ICU 6 shade eyeshadow palette, and I am going to be featuring the palette COCO LOCO. This is a brown gold natural but with a touch of glamorous eye for you guys, and I live for it. So yeah, so if you want to see how I came up with this look, then y'all need to keep watching. But before that, I am also doing a giveaway. This is the 3rd video in the giveaway. Basically, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is watch all 6 videos surrounding the ICU eyeshadow palettes from designer brands. Find a secret word in each video and give me the secret sentence. That secret sentence will make you eligible to win. Now, if you want to get some extra entries, all you got to do is you got to document. Listen to me. I'm a nurse. Document is the first word that comes to mind. But you don't need to document. Well, it is kind of documenting. Anyway, I digress. You need to comment in the comments below the secret word for that video, and that will give you some extra entries. You can have a total of 6 entries in total, and there are going to be 3 winners in this giveaway. But yeah, you know, that's all you gotta do to be eligible. Oh no, that's a lie. I lied. There's one more thing. You have to be subscribed to my channel. Once you subscribe to my channel, then you'll also be eligible, and I will be checking because I have ways of checking. I'm just saying. Anyway guys, I will leave it there for you. Let's get into this video and into this look, and I hope you enjoy it. Alrighty then. So before we get started, I'm just going to clean up these lids. I've got the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and I've filled my brows in using the designer brands Brow Master Creamy Brow Pomade in the color Chocolate. That's it there. We're going to be using COCO LOCO, part of designer brands ICU 6 shade eyeshadow palette series. This is a video number 3 guys, and we're gonna get stuck into it. The look that we're gonna do is going to be very brown, but then I'm gonna use this champagne color all over the lid, and it's gonna be sparkly, but it's still gonna be quite wearable and soft with a touch of glamour. So what you want is a brush that has that's really fluffy, but then it has a tapered point, because we're going to basically put this kind of all over the crease transition area, but we really want to fluff it out so it's nice and soft. So we're going to go into these 2 shades here. That's exactly how I want it, because the dark shade here has a little bit of red in it actually, and I want this look to be more brown, but it's really nice in the transition, like really nice. There we go. This look is going to be so easy guys, like I'm literally only going to be using 2 shades. So next we're going to take this ColourPop E4 brush. It's just a flat shader brush. We're gonna go into that shade there, coat the brush, but we're gonna wet it. Just gonna concentrate most of the color on the bottom of the lid, working our way up as the brush gets more and more dry. And I'm doing that on purpose because I want most of the product to be near the lash line. Using that same brush I started off with, by the way, this is the Morphe E573. I'm just going to use this. I'm not adding any more product, just whatever's left on the brush. I'm just using it to soften out the edges there, just so that it looks like it melds up into the brown. Really natural beat this one guys, really natural. Now I'm just gonna intensify it just that little bit more in the center of the lid, so just here. And just feather it out a little bit. Going back in with that fluffy brush. We're gonna soften the edges. And that's it, guys. That is all we're doing with this look. Quite a natural beat, but I wanted to do that deliberately. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some liner using the designer brands. This one is the Cream Gel Liner 24-hour wear. This one is really good. I really do like this liner. I've been using it for every single video that I've done in this series, and as you could probably tell by now, it works really well. Now, the liner brush I've been using this whole time, in case I haven't mentioned it earlier, is the Zoeva Wing Liner 317. It is my absolutely favorite brush that I use every single time I do a wing liner with a gel product. It just gives me the finest line ever, which is what you want, you know. And that's it. We're done. No, I'm kidding, we're not done. We still have a couple of things to do. We're gonna go ahead and do the base. Actually, no, that's a lie. Let me put some lashes on, because, you know, you need some lashes, don't you? I'm once again using the lashes from designer brands in the style Fierce. That's what it looks like there. And I'm using the designer brand glue. Okay guys, lashes are on, liner is done, and we're going to zoom out so we can concentrate on the base. Okay, so I've just clipped the hair back a little bit, and we are going to go in with the Skin Quencher Primer plus Moisturiser from Designer Brands, and it's available at designerbrands.com.au or your local chemist. Moisturized and primed. And now we're moving on to foundation. Today we're going to be using, yes, you guessed it, Longwear 24-hour foundation by Designer Brands. This is in the shade Deep Honey 291. This is one of the shades that I helped Designer Brands create, and it is my perfect shade. You will see, well, you've probably already seen, but if you're new, you will see. I don't know why I squared it on my face, because usually all I use is like one pump, and that was like half a pump. Let's try that again. Now, the next steps I'm going to be doing off camera, because, well, Designer Brands don't really make these products in my shade yet, but I'm going to conceal and powder and bronze off camera, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am bronzed and powdered to the gods, and now we're going to move on to lip. We'll do some highlight and some blush, all Designer Brands. And this is Dusty Nude 793. This is the Longwear matte lip color. Oh, that's such a satisfying sound. Can we do that again? Why does that sound nice to me? Actually, it kind of sounds gross, but satisfying. Is she cute? Yes, I really like that. What a natural looking lip. Okay, let's continue. Let's do some blush first, and then we'll highlight. So I've once again got the Brilliant Skin Blush and Illuminator Duo by Designer Brands. This is in the color Afterglow. We're going to take my trusty Sigma tapered highlighter brush. I guess we're doing highlighter first now instead. Okay. So just going in that highlighter shade here. Now, I'm not a crazy highlight person. Like, don't get me wrong, I go gaga for highlight, but I like it to look more on the natural side. Now, this highlighter duo is really good for dark skin. It's got the gold, doesn't go ashy on me, and the blush color is just beautiful. My eyelashes, my eyebrows are so whack, guys. I don't even know, like, this one wants to go that way, and this one just wants to do whatever. It's so annoying. Yes. And that's the highlighter done. Taking a blush brush from Real Techniques. We're gonna go into that color there. Oh, blinding y'all. We're gonna go into that color right there. Well, it's the only color, so it picks up a lot on the brush. And if it looks a little too much like it does now, it's okay. I have some Sephora Micro Smooth, and I'm gonna use that to dumb it down a little bit. Just take it down a notch, and that's how I like to do my blush. Because then it just feels like it's kind of peeking through, you know what I mean? As opposed to just like a wash of color on top, it's peeking through. Yes, okay guys. We gonna spray the face with some, what do we have? Some Morphe. And I'm gonna zoom you guys in, and we're gonna finish the lower lash line, and then we'll be done. Okay, let's finish this under eye. Really, really simple, guys. It's not gonna be anything revolutionary. I'm literally going to just put a combination of the two crease slash transition shade, this one and this one here, on the lower lash line. Then the deeper shade, we're going to concentrate that on the outer edge. Now this is part of my Project Pan, this Bad Girl Bang sample, and I am loving this mascara so stinking much. I'm gonna go ahead and buy it, but I have to wait till February because I'm on a low buy. By the way, I'm having a low buy update video coming up to my channel real soon. I want to do some other videos first. I got the new Fenty, yes girl, the new Fenty. I've got some new Huda, and I want to do also a makeup, like a eyeshadow palette collection video as well. So yeah, there's some videos I want to get out the way first, and then I'll do a like January Project Pan update. Little spoiler, I'm not doing too well. I'm still buying things. I mean, yeah, we'll have a long ass discussion about that though later in another video. Alright, that's the finished look. I will zoom you back out, guys, with my cute little cat ears. Guys, I am feeling everything about this look, like everything. It's real simple, real natural, but still a touch glamorous, which is basically what I like. I mean, I like the glitz and glamour, but I also like things to be natural. So here we are, guys. This is the final look. Now, did you catch the secret word? Because you should be starting to get an idea of what the secret sentence is gonna be, but it was in there somewhere, I promise you. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button, hit the subscribe button and the little bell right next to it to be notified of my uploads. And yeah, so that is it for this video, guys. I will see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.